In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a signature in DocuSign. If you're managing multiple signatures or simply want to clean up your digital workspace, removing a signature is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and go through it step by step. First, start by navigating to the DocuSign homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for DocuSign. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access to your account settings and stored signatures. After you've logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This icon typically appears as your profile picture or initials. Clicking on your profile will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, you'll see the option labeled Manage Profile. Click on that link to proceed. Now, within your profile management page, there will be a section specifically for managing your signatures. This is a dedicated area where all your saved signatures are listed. Find and click on the Signatures tab to move forward. This tab is where you can view and make changes to any of the signatures you've created or uploaded to DocuSign. Here, you can see a list of all the signatures associated with your account. You'll need to identify the signature you wish to remove. Once you've found the correct one, look to the right side of the signature entry to find the Actions option. Clicking on this will open a small menu with various actions you can take. In the Actions menu, select Delete. This is the first step in removing the unwanted signature from your account. The system will ask for your confirmation before proceeding. This is to ensure that signatures aren't deleted accidentally, as once they are gone, you can't retrieve them. After you've clicked on Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This window will typically ask you, "Are you sure you want to delete this signature?" Click Delete again to confirm your choice. This final step will permanently remove the selected signature from your DocuSign account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a signature from your DocuSign account. It's always a good practice to routinely check and manage your signatures to keep your DocuSign environment organized and updated. Remember, anytime you want to create a new signature or need to manage existing ones, just follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.